Lost my job at the bank. Very first day. This lady asked me to check her balance, so I pushed her over.
Hello?
Hey, I can't come into work today.
Is everything okay?
I can't see.
You can't see? Something wrong with your vision?
No, I can't see myself working today. Bye.
And what do we say when our boss asks why we're late to work again? Yo, you're lucky I'm even here in the first place. No, we don't say that. We look at them, we apologize, and then we say, hey, it's never gonna happen again. And then we say, I don't even like this job. What? No.
Winner got the favorite place to sit.